Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use a USB flash drive on any Android TV box. Now, the first thing you need to do is to connect the USB flash drive to the TV box. You'll find a USB port on your TV box and that's where you insert the flash. Now, after inserting the flash, next stop, go to the TV box's file manager. So mine is right here. Yours could be different, but just navigate to where you find a file explorer or file manager. So click on it and right here you have it. So I can have a toggle on my local memory. Alternatively, I could go down and toggle into this flash drive. So to the left, you could see that the target is USB. The USB size is 1.5 gigabytes used and available size 14 gigabytes. Now, if I click on this, I can access all the files right here. So the first folder is Android, lost drives, movies, music, pictures, system volume information, which comes by default, and then you have a couple of media files right here. So that is how to do it. If you found value in this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.